I'm just going to have a quick look and show the people out in the big wide world exactly what's in there.
What are you getting in bundle 3?
What are you getting in bundle 3?
I'll talk a bit about the other bundles, but this is what you get in this one.
I just wanted to show one. I'm not here, we're not going to do massive unboxing, but it's almost like a show bag, a Ninesteps show bag.
They need to be altered. The whole stock thing's going crazy. Look at that.
There we go.
And you also get the 45 degree.
45 degree. Fantastic.
This is the premium builders bundle.
The premium builders bundle. So you get the cutting mat.
Yep.
The hobby knife.
Yep.
Flat tip tweezers, angle tip tweezers, fine tip tweezers, premium nippers.
Side cutter, yeah. Only the best. We only want you to have the best.
Get sanding sticks.
Sanding sticks. You get an assortment pack of replacement blades.
An assortment pack of replacement blades as well.
So yeah, you're gonna get the knife pack with the regulars.
Yeah.
But then we want you to try out different types of blades. So you're gonna get assortment
not just number 11s.
No. You're gonna get chisel blade. You're gonna get the round edge blade, and a 45 degree angle nipper.
Fantastic.
It's a beautiful thing. This is the premium bundle.
Yep. If you're a builder, this is what you need.
I have all this on my workbench
all the time.
Yep.
There you go.
Yep.
That's just one of the bundles. So come out and see us Model Expo on the weekend.
Yep. Yeah. Very exciting.